there, I'm out here in Land O'Lakes. We've done about 20 roofs in this neighborhood alone. A really strong windstorm ripped through here, caused a lot of damage to these roofs in this area. We were able to work directly with this homeowner's insurance company. We met the adjuster up on the roof and verified all the damages were there. Now they're getting a brand new roof for just the cost of their deductible. What we're looking for a wind damage insurance claim is any shingles that are lifted that won't seal back down, any shingles that are noticeably creased, or missing and damaged shingles that have blown right off the roof. These homeowners chose us the Tampa Titan XT. It's rated for 160 mile-an-hour winds, so hopefully the next time a windstorm blows through, they won't have to worry about it. So if you need any help with your insurance claim, reach out to RoofSource Inc. at www.roofsourceinc.com. Thanks.